Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add music in your Canva app. Open the Canva app. Now go to the plus icon. And from here, we are going to try to make a post. I'm going to select a picture and turn it into a video. And in that video, we are going to add a song. So just follow my steps. Now I'm going to select a template first. And now I'm going to select my picture. Now let me select a song. And there you go. I have successfully added a song on Canva. Now you can do it too following these steps. And it's done. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.